All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 7 in November Daily Math. Question number 1 says, how many tens are in 100? Well, let me go like this. 10. Okay. How many tens are in 120? See it? Oh, got my hand in the way. 12. That's right. Cover up the ones place, and that's how many tens you have, right? That place value, make it work for you, right? We talked about that. Okay, number 2. Bradley has 3 dogs, Spot, Rex, and Molly. 3 dogs have how many legs in all? Assuming all 3 dogs have 4 legs apiece. We have dog 1. Spot has 4 legs. Rex has 4 legs. And Molly has 4 legs. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12 legs. Excuse me. Johnson's costume shop sold 57 pilgrim hats in week 1. They sold some more, so we don't know. Hey, s'more. They sold s'more hats in week 2. They sold a total of 147 hats for both weeks. How many hats did they sell in week 2? Write an equation and solve. Excuse me. It sounds to me like a part whole. We have week 1 is a part, week 2 is a part, and the whole is what they sold total, right? So we have part, whole. So we have 57 plus a number equals 147. So let's come over here and do some work. 147 minus 57. And remember, we talked about that. That's how we make our part wholes, right? So let's go 7 minus 7. Numbers the same. Zero's the game. I heard it. Good job. More on the floor. Borrow from next door. So it's 14 minus 5. 5 and 4 is 9. All right, so how many hats did they sell in week 2? Write an equation to solve. 90 hats. And you can either do 57 plus 90 equals 147. Or you could do 147 minus 57 equals 90. Right? Okay. How many minutes until 7 o'clock? That means it's 6 something, and it looks like it is 6:15. Excuse me. 15. Oh, I see. It's just tilted weird. All right. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yeah. How many minutes? 45 minutes. Favorite snacks of 3rd graders. And it looks like we split between girls and boys here. Pretzels, grapes, raisins, and popcorn. I don't know what I'd go with there. I think I would add, with the pretzels, I'd probably add some like M&Ms and then also put popcorn in there and maybe have some raisins too. I think all 3 of them could go together. Not so sure about the grapes in there with it though. So it's just asking us how many kids like popcorn. How many kids? That's girls and boys. Very good. So we're going to add these 2 together, right? Popcorn, girls and boys. Here we go. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 5. So 54 kids. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, go ahead. Put your score down in there, and we will see you tomorrow.